One of the questions we often get asked is, how do our mattresses compare to the name brands? And quite honestly, the answer to that question is different today than it was 25 years ago when we first bought the business. 25 years ago, I felt comfortable saying, you know what, the big brands in our mattresses, they're similar in quality. You were getting a similar mattress, but you were getting it for a lot less money because you were buying it direct from the factory. There's no doubt about that. You'd get a great quality mattress, and you'd save money. I can honestly say that the mattress that we're making today is very similar to the mattress that we made 25 years ago. I'm not comfortable saying that about the name brands. Our feeling is that the mattresses that the big brands are selling today are nowhere close to what they used to be. Over the years, it seems that they've taken more and more out of the mattress to save money, yet they keep the prices high and even higher, whereas our mattresses really haven't changed much over those years. It's almost like we're making the same mattress today that we made 25 years ago. We're using the same quality springs, the same quality foam. We often get calls from our suppliers saying, hey, the big brands, you know, they're making a box spring that has a little less wood in it. It'll save you 5 cents per box spring. Is that something you're interested in? And we'd say, of course not. You know, what we care about is building a quality mattress. We don't care about saving a nickel on every box spring. And it's not just the nickel in the box spring, it's the inner spring, it's the foam. I always tell people, you want a quick way to tell how good a mattress is? Just pick it up. A good quality mattress is gonna be heavy. If the spring is good, it's gonna have a lot of metal in it. If the foam is good, it's gonna be high density, so it has a lot of foam in it. It's not a bunch of air, it's foam. And that's a decision we make, is to make high quality mattresses and sell them at great prices because we're the factory and we sell direct to the consumers. And we're just gonna keep doing it that way because that's what we believe sleeping local is all about.